What do you think of the 5 friendliest nationalities?
I would say, bit of a unique one, Fijians. They're super friendly.
Bula!
Yeah. Obviously very tall, big people, so they look a little bit scary, but they are gentle giants, really friendly people, and an amazing place. Papua New Guinea. Like, people don't usually think that they're friendly, but generally on the whole, they're really friendly. They don't see many tourists, and so they treat you like a god. Yeah, just very, very good people and very hardworking people. I say number 3 is Philippines.
I agree.
Everyone knows that Filipinos are just so friendly, so smiley, so happy. They're just the happiest people. Like, I've never met people so happy in my life. Also, I'm going to go with the African country is Eritrea. The Eritreans are very friendly people. They don't get many tourists again, and they're very proud. They're very proud to be Eritrean, and they're proud of their history and stuff. So they are inviting tourists, and they're very friendly to tourists. The friendliest nationality, in my opinion, although I live here, so I'm a little bit biased, is the Indonesians. They are insanely kind, friendly. They're just cool people.
Yeah, they're so friendly, so happy, and always a smile.